Hi everybody, how are you guys doing today, my creative family? I think I might need to turn a fan on. I just got done bleaching everything again for the week and decided to do some art and open some happy mail from Tereasa Brady. I'm excited. Tereasa Brady has a YouTube channel. I think it's just Tereasa Brady. Let me throw... you know what, I'm not putting a timer on today. So, just to let you know, I'm going to do some random things. Don't know how long I'm going to be on here for. So, you guys can tell. Because once this video gets uploaded, you can see how long I've been up here for. But I think I need to turn the fan on because I'm pretty warm. Let's turn that light on. Okay, I hope it's not too loud. Don't know what I'm going to get myself into today, or get you guys into with me. Oh, it's such a pretty package. I love the packaging. It's got like overspray, like a glitter overspray. Okay. I would like to open this in a way to where I can reuse the packaging. It's amazing how we take the time to just let others know that we're thinking about them, we thought about them. And that's what I'm saying. What I'm trying to say is just the fact that Tereasa stopped what she was doing. Said, I'm going to send this to Secret. And I'm going to paint the envelope teal and put some dots, some circles all around it. All that takes time. All of that takes time. And I really appreciate it. I have a fascination with keeping these little metal things. But for this one, I think I'm going to try to keep it intact. There we go. Yay! Hey, that color and this color look really nice together. Oh, excited. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness. January, February, March, April, May, June 8th, 2018. Look how cute that is. I'm not taking it out of the cellophane. I'm leaving it in there for a while. Oh my gosh, I could feel the texture. Oh, wishing. I wish upon a star to tell me where you are. That's what that song came up in my brain when I read that. You know, I sing very well when I've had a few drinks. I think we all do. This one's beautiful. Gorgeous. Very pretty. 6/28, 2018. Love it. Tereasa, that's beautiful. Okay, I'm going to take it out of the cellophane just because I can read a lot of your guys' minds. Come on, take it out. We can't see it very well. Okay. Ooh, I thought it was going to be lace. You tricked me. What technique is this? Oh, it looks like tortoiseshell. You gotta teach me how to do this, Tereasa. Please. Oh, man. I thought that was lace. Look, guys. Didn't that look like lace? It totally tricked my eye. And doesn't that look like tortoiseshell? I need to learn how to do that, please. Okay, that means I need to take the other one out, because I need to fill that one too. Beautiful. You gotta show me that, please. I beg you, Tereasa. Same colors. Oh my god, I love that. Please show me how to do that. Okay, see? Very, very, very close. This is lace. You know, my mouth got watery feeling that. that was something new. You made my mouth water. Oh, funny, funny. Oh my, what a tag. Oh, I'm gonna have to fill this one. That might make my mouth water also. It's a cool packaging there. Ooh, I love that. Tickle the bottom of my palm. That is beautiful. Look, guys. Very pretty. Oh, so pretty, and so pretty, and so pretty, and pretty, and bright. Oh, you see, this is what I think I'm going to try to attempt. I just don't have the right paper. But I'm going to attempt to do something similar with these things here, like this photo, maybe the back of the photo, the acetate, and then this shiny paper that I think came in packaging. It's cardboard on the back, but shiny in the front. I'm going to attempt to do that. To do this on that. I probably have done it in the past. I just don't remember. Ooh. What kind of paper is this? Ha! I want to create on this one for a fact. Ooh, can I smell them? Smells like vape. This is so cool. Oh, oxide ink. Oxide inks. Yeah, pretty colors. I need to get those empty ink pads so that I can put my oxide refills into empty ink pads. But I can't. Not right now. Not yet. I love that. But if this, Tereasa, if this is oxide, where is that shiny stuff coming from? Because I see loads of glitter. Like a mist. A beautiful angelic mist of glitter. So pretty. What is this here? Don't know. Thank you for some backgrounds. I will be creating on top of them. And it's funny because I am going to attempt to do something similar. So I will set aside your address and add you to the people that I have actually stuff sitting in the back of my trunk. I have Stacy's canvas, her feather canvas. I have Lisa Beard's stuff back there, and I have Angela, her stuff back there. And then I'll make you an envelope and I'll stick it back there. And when I possibly can get to the post office, then I'll mail them out. But I also have to make sure I have cash. Another thing, oh, just to let you guys know, I have a car, and my husband has a car, but his car is not working, and it's going to cost a hell of a lot of money to fix it. Oh, we're thinking about $2,000 to $3,000 to fix that car. Anyways, so I've been lending him my car for, I don't know, I want to say 4 months now. So I've been without a car. And by the time he gets home, the post office is closed. By the time he leaves in the morning, post office is not even open. So that's that for right now. So I want to play with some alcohol inks. So I want to do that, so I'm going to do that. So I'm going to shut off this camera, and we're going to play with some alcohol inks. And I also would like to make some phrase, is it phrase or word tiles? Phrase tiles, word tiles, I don't know what they are. Tim Holtz makes them, and I would like to make my own. So I'm going to do that also. Don't know when. What's in here? Oh, pieces of paper. When did you get in there? Look at all of that. Very cool. I should leave it at least like this so I know what's in there for a little while. Oh, how cute. Very cute. Okay. I'll see you guys later. Thank you, Tereasa, sending you loads of love, and give all those puppies hugs and kisses. And to your husband, tell him I said hi, and to your children. Okay? Catch you later. Bye.